Welcome to a brand new topic, cubes and cube roots. We start exactly where the idea comes from, stacking real cubes. Here is a stack, 3 cubes long, 3 cubes wide, and 3 layers high. Every layer holds 3 rows of 3. So how many small cubes are in the whole stack? 9, 18, 27. By the end of this lesson, you will answer that in 1 second. For any size of stack using one simple multiplication idea called cubing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to first explain exactly what the cube of a number means and where the little 3 comes from. Second, work out cubes of whole numbers, decimals, and fractions, all by plain multiplication. And third, apply cubing in real life, especially finding the volume of cube-shaped objects. Let's build the idea properly, starting from the stacks. A stack of side 1 is just 1 cube. 1 times 1 times 1, 1. Side 2. Each layer is 2 by 2, that's 4, and 2 layers make 8. 2 times 2 times 2. Side 3, 9 cubes per layer, 3 layers, 27. There is our answer from the intro. And side 4, 16 per layer, 4 layers, 64. See the pattern? The cube of a number is that number multiplied by itself 3 times. In general, n cubed equals n times n times n. That little 3 is called the index, and the whole thing is read as n cubed. One warning before the examples, the most common mistake in this whole topic. 4 cubed does not mean 4 times 3. That would be 12. 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4, 64. The index counts how many 4s are multiplied. It never multiplies the number itself. Worked example 1 cubes of whole numbers. Find the cube of 7 and the cube of 13. A. 7 cubed means 7 times 7 times 7. Write the multiplication out first, every time. Multiply in pairs. 7 times 7 is 49. Then 49 times 7, 343. So 7 cubed is 343. B. 13 cubed, 13 times 13 times 13. Bigger number, exact same method. 13 times 13 is 169. And 169 times 13 gives 2,197. 13 cubed is 2,197. Notice the working. Multiply the first pair, then multiply that answer by the number once more. 2 clean steps. Worked example, 2 cubes of decimals. Find the cube of 0.4 and of 1.5. The trick. Turn the decimal into a fraction over 10 first. A. 0.4 is 4 tenths. So its cube is 4 tenths times 4 tenths times 4 tenths. Multiply the tops. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Multiply the bottoms. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. 64 thousandths as a decimal, 0.064. Notice the pattern, 1 decimal place in the number gives 3 decimal places in the cube. B. 1.5 is 15 tenths. Cube the top and the bottom. 15 times 15 is 225. Times 15 again is 3,375. Divide by 1,000, 3.375. 1.5 cubed is 3.375. Decimals hold no fear once you write them as fractions. Worked example, 3 cubes of fractions. Find the cube of 3/4 and of 1 2/5. A. The cube of 3/4, write it 3 times and multiply. Tops, 3 cubed is 27. Bottoms, 4 cubed is 64. 27 over 64 done. For any fraction, cube the numerator, cube the denominator. That's the whole rule. B. A mixed number must become an improper fraction first, 1 2/5. 5 times 1 plus 2 is 7 7/5. Now cube top and bottom. 7 cubed is 343. 5 cubed is 125. Convert back. 125 goes into 343 twice, remainder 93. 2 and 93 over 125. The one mistake to avoid: never cube the whole number part and the fraction part separately. Always convert to an improper fraction first. Where does cubing show up in real life? Everywhere something has volume. 2 quick problems. Problem 1. A water tank is a perfect cube with sides of 2 meters. How much water can it hold? The volume of a cube is side cubed, 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, 8 cubic meters. And since 1 cubic meter is 1,000 liters, the tank holds 8,000 liters of water. Problem 2. Small dice are packed tightly into a cubic box, and exactly 5 dice fit along each edge. How many dice are in the box altogether? Exactly the intro stack, just bigger. 5 layers, each 5 by 5. 5 cubed, 25 times 5, 125 dice. Let's close the loop on everything you set out to learn today. The cube of a number is that number multiplied by itself 3 times n cubed. Is n times n times n, never n times 3. For decimals, write the number as a fraction over 10, cube the top and the bottom, then convert back. And for fractions, cube the numerator and the denominator, turning any mixed number into an improper fraction first. Your practice pause and try all 4. A. 5 cubed. B. 0.3 cubed. C. The cube of 2/5. D. The volume of a cube with sides of 10 centimeters. Answers: A. 125. B. 3/10 cubed is 27 thousandths, 0.027. C. 8 over 125. D. 10 cubed, 1,000 cubic centimeters. Well done. That's cubes of numbers by multiplication. Take the practice quiz below to lock it in fresh numbers every attempt. Next lesson, finding cubes the fast way, using mathematical tables. See you there.